Before we start our tutorial video today, if you love our videos, please click on like button and make sure to click on subscribe and bell icon to receive notifications of future helpful content of automation and process control. Now let's get started. Today and in this tutorial video we're going to talk about 2-wire and 4-wire transmitters and discuss where they are used and why. Also, we're going to explore wiring configurations and how transmitters are connected to a PID controller or PLC. Briefly, 2-wire transmitters, transducer is powered by the same 2 wires that carry the 4 to 20 mA signal. For wire transmitters, the transducer is powered by a pair of wires, 24 typically, and the 4 to 20 mA signal goes in another pair of wire. Now let's go into details. A transmitter is an instrument that converts the small signal from a sensor to a signal which represents the variable being measured. The transmitter output signal representing the variable being measured can be voltage or current. The transmitter analog output loop contains the transmitter, power supply, and the receiving device, which could be a PLC or DCS. The power supply, and the receiving device, which could be a PLC or DCS. But, is it a 2-wire or a 4-wire transmitter? The actual wiring connection between the transmitter and the power supply depends upon which type it is. Let's see. Earlier we said that the transmitter output can be either current or voltage. Current is by far the most common transmitter output signal for many reasons. One reason is if the wires between the transmitter and the PLC are very long, there could be significant voltage losses across these wires. Regardless of the length of wire in a current loop, basic electrical theory tells us that the current is the same in the circuit regardless of where that current is measured. So, no loss at all. A 4-wire transmitter has 2 wires connected to a power supply, and 2 signal wires connected to the PLC or DCS. The power supply can be AC or DC depending upon the vendor and model. A 2-wire transmitter has only 2 wires in a 2-wire current loop. The transmitter, DC power supply, and PLC are connected in series. Not only are the 2 wires providing power for the transmitter, but they are also the signal lines. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.